Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you create an event on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, simply go to your profile by tapping to this 3 bar into the top right side. And after coming to this menus, just simply tap into your name. Now after coming to profile, you can see this events option here. Just simply tap into that. Step 2. Create a new event. Now after coming to event section, just simply tap into this create an event option here. And after tapping there, you can customize your event details from here. You can pick a GIF, upload some photos from your galleries, and you can name your event into here. Then you can set date and time and also the place, and you can also add the details about the event into this tab here, but this is optional. So you can create an event now by tapping to this create event option here. By following these very easy steps, you can also create an event into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.